This is a recast of the 5,700-word piece. Attention is all you need. Let's listen in.
In this paper, Google Brain introduced a new architecture, the transformer for handling sequence transduction problems. These problems include tasks such as language translation and speech recognition that involve converting sequences from one domain to another.
Traditional models handle these tasks with complex recurrent or convolutional neural networks that use an encoder to process the input and a decoder to generate the output. These models also often use an attention mechanism that helps connect the encoder and decoder.
The transformer, however, is quite different. It's based entirely on attention mechanisms and does away with recurrence and convolutions completely. This means it doesn't process inputs in a sequential manner like previous models do.
The experiments showed that these transformer models perform better while being more parallelizable and requiring significantly less time to train. For example, on the WMT 2014 English to German translation task, their model achieved a BLEU score of 28.4, improving on the best existing results.
The transformer also performed well on the English to French translation task. After training for just 3.5 days on 8 GPUs, which is much shorter than previous models, the transformer achieved a new single model state-of-the-art BLEU score of 41.8.
One of the key parts of the transformer is what's called self-attention. This mechanism allows different positions of a single sequence to relate to each other in order to compute a representation of the sequence.
The transformer uses this self-attention in 3 ways. First, in encoder-decoder attention layers, where each position in the decoder can attend over all positions in the input sequence. Second, in self-attention layers within the encoder where each position can attend to all positions in the previous layer. And third, in self-attention layers within the decoder where each position can attend to all positions up to and including that position.
Besides attention, each layer in both encoder and decoder contains a fully connected feed-forward network applying to each position separately. This consists of 2 linear transformations with a ReLU activation function in between.
The authors also implemented positional encoding by adding it to the input embeddings at the bottoms of the encoder and decoder stacks. This helps the model make use of the order of sequences since it doesn't use recurrence or convolution.
Overall, Google Brain's transformer model offers a fresh approach for sequence transduction tasks, achieving state-of-the-art results in translation quality while requiring a fraction of the training time compared to existing models.
That's it for today.